Guys, andito kami sa labas ngayon. May swimming pool sila, oh. Andito kami sa second floor. Ito yun, oh. Ito yung E&Z Resort. Yan. Madilim na kasi. Gabi na. Yan. May naliligo. Yung room namin is 214. Nandito kami sa second floor. Kasama ko yung yung ka-office mate ko. Yan, hindi makita ko kasi madilim na. Ito yun, oh. Yan, guys. May naliligo at saka yan. May pool sila. Dito ako sa Kabadbaran. Namin, lang maliit. Pero mura siya. Grabe ka mura. Yan, siya. Ito yung nila, painting. Yan.
Feet tall or more. Okay, I hope you learned something today. Thank you, everyone.
Ito yung nila, CR. Lang. Mura lang siya. Pero, yan, no. Ito yung CR nila. Hi guys, namin dito karon sa E&Z Hotel Resort dito sa Kabadbaran. Kuya bisa akong friend na sa Rose Pamolen. Hi, good evening, good evening. Mag-take me og maog civil service so na makapasar na mi.
That it means you are extreme hunger, extreme hunger. And using the word famish is a redundancy or ibig sabihin pag-uulit na ng
Thank you for watching.
idea. Okay, let's have number 2. Priscilla Blanc rather not invest her savings in the stock market. So in this case, ang hinahanap naman dito ay modal verb. Okay? What type of modal verb? Modal verb na nagsasuggest that something should or should not be done in the future. So let's try our choices. Must and has to are modals of obligation. So, pag nasa sentence siya, hindi siya nagsasuggest. Nagsasabi siya ng obligasyon or dapat nyo itong gawin. Now, could and would are both modal of suggestion. However, si could ay past tense ni Ken. At si would naman ay past tense ni B.
Kayo ako kauban, nag-study. Ako di ba study? Dili naman study. Grabe.
Okay. Now, in this case,